To optimize Whoop sign-up usage, start by understanding the platform and its features. Whoop is a fitness tracking and analytics platform that provides personalized recommendations to improve performance and recovery. First, download the Whoop app and create an account by providing basic information such as name, email, and password. Then, set up your Whoop strap by pairing it with your mobile device via Bluetooth. Next, familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard, which displays key metrics such as heart rate, sleep, and strain. Strain is a measure of physical exertion, and it is essential to monitor it to optimize performance and recovery. To get the most out of Whoop, wear the strap consistently and ensure it is properly calibrated. This will provide accurate data and help you track progress over time. Another crucial step is to set realistic goals and track progress. Use the app to set daily and weekly goals for sleep, exercise, and recovery. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your objectives. Additionally, leverage the app's analytics features to gain insights into your performance and recovery. The app provides detailed data on heart rate variability, sleep quality, and other key metrics. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your routine accordingly. It is also essential to integrate Whoop with other health and fitness apps to get a more comprehensive view of your overall health. This can include apps such as MyFitnessPal or Strava, which provide data on nutrition and exercise. Finally, explore the app's community features, which allow you to connect with other users and join challenges. This can be a great way to stay motivated and accountable, and to learn from others who share similar goals and interests. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Whoop sign-up usage and get the most out of the platform. Remember to stay consistent, track progress, and use data to inform your decisions. With Whoop, you can take your fitness and performance to the next level.